Hey friends, how are you all? Today I'm gonna show you my favorite sweet things. So stay tuned with me and let's eat my favorite things. Let's eat. I'm gonna eat my favorite lollipops first. So let's start. Can you see my shiny and white teeth? Ha ha ha, they are so beautiful. All my things are so mouth-watering. Let's start. Oh, this one is my favorite lollipop. Can you see orange and white color? Yum, 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 yum. Yum, so delicious. Now I'm gonna finish this chocolate. Yum, 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 yum. Now I will eat this ice cream. This is so yummy! Ha 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 ha! Let's eat some more candies, and I love them so much. It feels so good. It was so much fun to eat these sweet treats.
Oh my god, Mr. Hulk, what you did with your teeth? Too much sweet things are not good for your teeth. Oh, I think you did not brush your teeth. Oh my god.
Really? Now what I have to do? Oh, I'm sad now. Oh, what should I do?
Now you need to go to a good dentist and he or she will fix your problem. Okay, let's go.
Hello doctor, I have so much pain in my teeth. Please fix it.
Oh my god, what you have done with your teeth? Oh, I think you eat so many sweet lollipops and chocolates and you don't brush your teeth. Look at them. Oh my god. So let me see what I can do with your teeth. So first I'm gonna remove this bad cavity from your teeth and they are falling as well because they are weak now. You did not care about your teeth. You did not brush before sleeping. And when you get up in the morning, the first thing you have to do is brush your teeth. I can see you don't do these things. Am I right, Mr. Hulk?
You're right. I don't brush my teeth.
Let me remove this tooth decay from your teeth. Oh my god, look at this. These orange spots, this yellow, black. You made your teeth really bad. Now I'm going to fix your hair and I'm going to repair them. Okay, so now I'm gonna see some hidden spots with this amazing mirror. So let's see, find out. So Mr. Hulk, your teeth are getting better now. So now we will fix and we will make new teeth for Mr. Hulk. So let's make it. So first I'm gonna take the right size of the teeth and then we are going to fix it. So let's see how he will look after putting the new teeth in his jaw. So they are almost ready. So let's put it. So here I am fixing the Play-Doh teeth. So this is so much fun to play with these things, you know. I am a dentist and I give new teeth to people. So I am almost done and after that the Hulk, the incredible Hulk will look so cute and neat and clean. So let's see. So for some time of period, he need to apply this, and then his teeth will be fixed. This is called braces. So it's somehow it's uncomfortable or it's painful, but not that much. And for some people it's like uncomfortable to open the mouth for this long. So Mr. Hulk, don't worry, I'm just about to finish. So these are called braces to fix the shape and give it the right shape. So I am fixing it with the wire, and this is a very nice process to give it the right shape of your teeth. So the same process I will repeat on the upper jaw. So yeah. So now I'm done, and then Mr. Hulk have to wait for some days. So now come again, okay? So I am done. Now Mr. Hulk will wait for some time, and then we will remove this braces. So now it's time to remove. Let's remove it. And after removing, the teeth will be in right shape and the right gap. So it's done. Yes, and Mr. Hulk is also happy. Let's remove it. Let's remove it with the right instrument, right tools. So yeah, you will see. After that, when we take off, you will see the shiny and the right shaped teeth. So now I will check again that is there any cavity or any spot left. So I will use this mirror and I will check that is there any black spot or any other dirty thing there. So we are done. So this is the time to brush the teeth. Yes, the Hulk need to brush the teeth daily in the morning and before sleeping. Yes. So right now he's brushing his teeth very well. So after that he will see his shiny teeth. So we are done.
Oh my god, my teeth look so shiny and white. I'm so happy. Now I look beautiful. I will brush my teeth daily before sleeping and daily in the morning. Yeah, you can see my teeth. Ha 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 ha. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe to channel. Bye. There is my smile. You can see. Thank you so much, guys. And now I will not eat too many sweet things. If I eat, I will brush my teeth regularly. Thank you. Bye. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel for more educational videos. Bye everybody. Thank you. And brushing your teeth is really a healthy habit, so you all should do it. I'm going. Bye.